Alright guys, so we continue the xfrs conversion on my Jaguar XF. Here we got, I removed the headlight because I was trying to fit one of the brackets for the bumper. Here they are. But it looks like I got the wrong ones. One of them is right, but this one's for an XJ. So I even removed the headlight because I couldn't get it in there. And after doing more research, it turned out that this is for an XJ. So that sucks. I'm gonna have to, and these come from China, so I'm gonna have to wait another month, maybe. But we got the bumper. It's actually sitting over there. We actually got a bunch of stuff. So these are the brackets. I'm probably gonna return them, or I don't know what I'm gonna do yet. Right here, I got the badge for the grill. This is it right here. So this is the badge. It's actually a few millimeters bigger than the old one, as you can see, and it looks a lot better too. I was gonna get the one with the little LEDs, but then I heard people were getting pulled over for the red lights, so I'm not really trying to risk it. So got this regular one. There's 3M tape, and then I got the grill right here. Let me show you guys how it looks like. So this is the grill. Actually, look. This is a piano black grill. I didn't want to get the chrome. I like the black better. Check it out. This is the black grill. See how nice it looks. And the badge is gonna go right in here, like this. Actually, we can put it on right now. So this is the grill. I mean the badge. It has this 3M tape. It comes ready. And then there's these two guide pins. They go in here. Just like that. Man, that looks nice, huh? Yeah. Check out the grill. You don't need to do anything else. The tape holds it in really good. Which one looks better? This one, huh?
Yeah.
I feel like this one's a few millimeters bigger. Let's see.
Oh
Yeah, it is, huh? So this one's bigger, which is actually better. You get more airflow into your intercooler. So this is the grill. Okay, so now here's what I've been waiting for the last few months. This is the bumper. the XFRS bumper. So here's a rear diffuser. It's all plastic, which I'm not gonna be using this. I already have a carbon fiber diffuser, so I'm gonna put this one over here. Probably keep it or sell it. I don't know what I'm gonna do yet. This bag, that's all your grills. So this is one of the grills for the bumper. You got one right here. And then you got the second one right here. Put them right here. And then I don't know what these are. I believe this is for the bumper. There's a little slot for the parking sensor, and I don't know what this is. Here's another one. Oh, and these are the hood vents. I don't know if I'm gonna be using these. I kind of want to get the carbon fiber ones. Okay, so I don't know what these are. We're gonna find out soon. Same with this one. Probably some. Oh, I think these are for the headlight washers. Put them right here. I'm not sure yet. I gotta see. Oh, and there's another grill right here. Another grill. This is the bumper. So I'm gonna wrap the bumper in a gloss black, and then the piece that goes in here, let me show you. So this one, I'm gonna wrap this one in carbon fiber, and same with this one, carbon fiber. These go like this, and that's where your parking sensor goes in. And then this one's gonna be carbon fiber as well. It's gonna go like this, and then the grill. Man, I can't wait to get this on the car. So all these are gonna be carbon fiber, and then I'm first gonna wrap the bumper, and then I'm gonna wrap these and put them on, so that way it's gonna be a lot easier to wrap the bumper without these. Alright, so the bumper did come with a new tray. I already got it right here installed. It was raining yesterday, so that's why it's all muddy. These, I did some research, and these, I think these are some brackets that go underneath the tray, like this. I think it gives it a better look. something like this. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna wrap these carbon fiber as well. So it's kind of like a lip. So yeah, they go underneath the bumper like this, like this. So these are gonna be nano grade. I mean, carbon fiber, and then
Set and go.
all right. So I found out what these are for. These are for the headlight washers, and it goes. This one goes over here. Yeah, so I'm gonna install these now, so that way I don't have them laying around and I don't forget. So these go. This is the passenger side. That's how it looks like. So I'm not gonna be using my headlight washers because I'll need to purchase the whole washer thing. And the ones I have on my old headlights are not compatible with these brackets, so I'm just simply not going to use them. But I do need to keep these because these are going to hold the bumper in place. So this is the other side. Do the same thing. So there's 2 holes on each one. You're gonna use these whenever you put your grill on. So for now, I'm not gonna put my grill on. I'm first gonna wrap the whole bumper. I don't want to scratch the grill. So after I wrap my bumper, I'm gonna install the grill. Next, I'm gonna go ahead and install the parking sensors. So let's go ahead and do that. There's one right here, another one here, another one here, and then the other one's right here. So let me go get the hardware for that, and I'll be right back. All right, so we're going to be using this double-sided tape. It comes with the kit. A 100 years later.
Later.
I think this is how you do it.